Eaten Seher, magic/black magic. Eaten Seher, magic/black magic. Senna al-Maki 50g. Senna al-Maki senna leaf. Senna leaves useful in constipation, loss of appetite, indigestion, liver complaints, abdominal troubles, splenetic enlargements, dyspepsia, typhoid, jaundice, anemia, malaria, skin diseases, leprosy, poisoning symptoms, foul breath, sweat with odor, lung disease, bronchitis, tumors. Dr. Muhammad Ali Albar has written a paper on Senna and its virtue according to the Sunnah, and he spoke a great deal about its medical benefits. Among other things he said, Senna is regarded as a gentle stool softener and is not harmful. It works directly on the colon. It is an effective laxative and is a good medicine with no side effects, well balanced and dry. Its beneficial effects include working against depressing thoughts, cracks in the feet, tension in the muscles, the spread of hair, lice, scabies, pustules, and itching. If it is cooked in olive oil and drunk, it expels putrid matter. It is also effective against pain in the back and hips. One of the features of Senna is that it expels black bile and phlegm and strengthens the heart. It is also useful in the case of chronic headaches and epilepsy. It gets rid of hemorrhoids. It is useful in the case of constipation as a stool softener and laxative. There is hardly any stool softener or laxative in the pharmacy that does not contain Senna. There is no doubt that Senna is one of the best stool softeners available. These are known illnesses and Prophet said that Senna has cure for everything except death, and said that if death had cure would be Senna. Remember, all cures and healing are from Allah, so make intention, Ya Allah, whatever is troubling me, give them hidayah, guidance, and cure me completely of every illness. There is no need to recite for the patient or to bath with Quranic water. The treatment consists of drinking herbal tea for a number of days. We use Sana Maki, from Mecca, which is also called Sana Haram, from the Holy Land. Scientific name is ammoniac gum. In different places it is called differently. In Mauritania, Africa, it is called Garagar in Soninke language. Sari in Zarma language, Niger, Africa. Bali Bali in Bambara, Senegal and other West African countries. Ladour in Wolof, Senegal, the Gambia, and Mauritania, and, finally, Senna leaves in French or English-speaking countries. It is a medical plant causing diarrhea and used to cure patients who have eaten something harmful or for a slimming diet. Eaten sorcery is a few drops put in food or beverage and it has no taste. It stays in the stomach or intestine and remains there attached like glue, no matter how much time has passed. It may wear out after 30-year period. The Sana Maki empties the stomach, and because it contains Quran it attacks sorcery and causes stomach pain. In some cases of eaten sorcery, instead of putting drops in the food, the sorcerer would dip a piece of meat or a fruit/vegetable in sorcery, and then arrange for the victim to eat it. We may also add some sidra, jujube tree, to the herbal tea so it attacks the fruit/vegetable and eliminate its effect. Generally, the Sana's effect reduces day after day. When sorcery and/or jinn present in the body, the patient can feel various discomforts during treatment, because all that is being removed. The number of times the infusion has to be taken varies with the kind of sorcery that was consumed, and how many times the patient had eaten it. The criteria are, as long as there are stomach pain/cramps present during treatment, and other discomforts in the body, sorcery is still there. If there is no more sorcery, the only infusion's effect will be diarrhea. If the infusion's effect is unbearable, the person can stop, but he must continue until it has no effect. Notice there is another kind of sorcery in the stomach, see below, that can cause stomach pain and will not go away with the sauna. When patient is a child or a light-weighted person, you should decrease the quantity according to his weight. Many pregnant women have taken the infusion. It does not create any problem by Allah's mercy. Concerning the breastfeeding women, it is advised to go ahead with the treatment, as the baby will have sorcery removed too by drinking milk that contains herbal infusion, as it will pass to the breast milk. It is possible for the baby to be bewitched in mother's womb, and breastfeeding will remove sorcery, instead having the baby to undergo the treatment. Some people with fragile stomach fear to take sauna. Sorcery in the stomach is perceived as a foreign body, and the stomach attacks it through its natural defenses. However, our body cannot remove it naturally, and it keeps irritating the stomach and intestine, causing internal wounds, cramps, ulcers, bleeding and vomiting. When Senna infusion removes the sorcery, in addition to the pain of removing sorcery, the pain is increased due to intestine wall being sensitive. The person may experience bleeding. But there is no other way. When there will be no sorcery left, everything will come back to normal because stomach and intestine will heal. Put 2 tablespoons sauna and 1 teaspoon cedar leaves, oriental jujube, ground until leaves are turned into small pieces, but not in powder. Add 600 ml, 3 glasses, prepared Ruqya water using Quran sheets. Boil for about 10 minutes on medium heat, will reduce to 2 glasses, let it cool a little, then drinks morning in an empty stomach without adding anything and without filtering it. The leaves fall to the bottom of the pan. It is better after that not to eat for 20 minutes. He does the same the next morning and the following days. Or, add senna and cedar leaves in 3 glasses, 600 ml, of water. Boil until becomes 2 glasses of water, and after cooled recite, and each time finish blow hard on the water. 7x Surah Fatiha. 7x Ayatul Kursi. 7x verses 117 to 122 of Surat Araf. 7x verses 81 to 82 of Surat Yunus. 7x 68 to 70 of Surat Taha. 7x 4 Quls. Symptoms of eaten Seher: constipation, diarrhea, stomachache, gas. Mode of employment: drink in the morning half an hour before breakfast. Inshallah you will be cured. You can have it as a cold drink or hot drink for a more rapid effect. Sana Maki treatment should last 1 week and concerns only those who have eaten sorcery and drank not over 1 week. You can know that your sorcery has been removed when you pass stools and feel no pain. Effects/indications. Effects: laxative, by stimulation of the large intestine, peristalsis after about 4 hours, effect which causes stools. The senna may be irritating, it is why should it use that against occasional constipation. Pharmacology, properties of anthracenes, active principles contained in the senna, prevent the reabsorption of water and electrolytes at the level of the large intestine, which causes soft stools. Indications: occasional constipation, adult duration of therapy for up to 10 days, unless medical opinion. Intestinal purging. Medical examinations. Hemorrhoids. The Sunnah promotes soft stool attention before using the Sunnah for hemorrhoids. Ask counsel to your specialist who will let know you if in your case it is indicated. Side effects / contraindications / interactions. Side effects, long-term use or abuse. This may cause the loss of some minerals, potassium, K, gastrointestinal cramps. Contraindication, pregnancy, breastfeeding, small children. Interaction, hypoglycemia. Use extended with certain drugs for the heart. Note: eaten seher does not necessarily mean someone has given you to eat or drink. This also can be brought by jinns and put in your body, and senna leaves with. Ruqya water do help in removing the seher, but there are cases where jinn catching is necessary to remove the jinn responsible in bringing the magic. Disclaimer. Note: we are not medically trained and strongly suggest that a professional doctor or hospital be consulted for medical advice and diagnosis. This is especially important for pregnant women and people with allergies. We do not take any responsibility for any type of mishap or accident which may occur as a result of the information provided on our site.